printer. Everything looks like nice. So my problem is all these wires it's connected like they must be connected. Access limit switch, as you see. So everything is correct like in drawing, but if I take it position and home all, and again I can show little bit move it to top, not going all. So I think so it's problem. And next one, it's if I take it position like X, he didn't listen. And I take it restart position Z. It's not move, just engines like stuck. If I take it back, he move it to top, but not down. I can take it more. In here, it's just sound, not going down. But if I take it back, he take it to up. Of course, it's not calibrate, and the limited switch not work. So engine didn't can go down. This is like stuck engines. But if I take it, restart and extruder position, and I take it in one side, you move it in one side and can go back. Yeah. So extruder move it in both sides. So if I take it like disconnect it and take it example Z motor for Z axis, I take it disconnected this wire Z and connect in extruder where it must be. Put it power and I go in extruder position, it's top not working, but you can going down all the way and again back. How much I take it? So for extruder connection it works, all three engines, it's okay. So why didn't work this 3-axis? Didn't can go back? This is question, and I don't know solution. I repair all this button. I take it for Arduino and put new software, but it still works like not properly. So what it need do it for? Which solutions can be for this? All this three smalls, I don't know how they call it, but if this ones, if I put for extruder, it works. All this four, it's going back and front. Thank you.